Hey, what's up? This is Miguel here, and hope you're doing awesome today. In this video, I just wanted to give you like a quick example or like a process that you can follow in order to automate and make your consulting business more productive, and you can generate more sales, more customers, more leads in an automated way. You can be sleeping and you will be able to keep making sales, making customers, making uh, calls. Basically, I think the idea of a consultant business is to schedule like a call at the end of the day. That would be our goal, right? So let me explain you how this process is. So all of these topics or these terms that you can see here, I'm going to be giving like a free training for where you can learn about ads, about traffic, about email marketing, everything about it for free. You can just go to miguelmerlo.com and you can just create your account and you will have all the training. So, well, first, let's explain a little bit. The first part will be the ad. Uh, let's say that you have your website right now about your business, about basically the service that you provide, which is a consulting service, uh, which will be like specified in your niche, right? I think this is something that might work for any business, any consulting business. You just have to adapt it to your need, to your niche. So and you're going to first focus on the ads, or you can get the free traffic. Free traffic means that you will create videos, you will create content uh, in YouTube, in Facebook, in Instagram. That can be a way to create free traffic. But if you want to scale things and just have like faster results, you can go with the paid traffic. You can have paid traffic on YouTube, on Facebook too, on Google Ads. You can have a forum paid. You can have an influencers paid too. That depends. I mainly focus on Facebook ads. That is what I know, and that is what you can find here for free. So you will have all your audience, right? You will have them all taken to an opt-in page. I call them an opt-in page or a squeeze page. So the goal of this page is to collect the visitors data, right? You're going to collect the visitor's email address. Why you want an email address? Because having an email list is something that can assure you that you will have an asset online, right? You want to have an asset for your business. If you have followers on Instagram, if you have followers on YouTube, on Twitter, I don't know. These companies maybe they can shut down tomorrow. I mean, it's not possible, probable, but it can happen. We don't know. So it's possible that maybe they can shut down and they will take all your business. They will take all the data, right? So when you have an email list, you are basically safe from that because you can store the email list that you have in a safe drive, in an external drive. That depends. So it's something that you own, is your own, right? So after you take all the information in the opt-in page, and some content that you need to have here, or that I suggest you to have, is a video, right? You're in this opt-in page, you will have like a video of yourself or a set of videos explaining what is your service, why the people needs it, who are you. People When the people sees you like on camera, they will be more likely to buy from you because they will trust you. So that is why an opt-in page is good, and you're going to provide free content in exchange for their email address. So after they give you the email address, you will take them to a schedule call page. In this call, what you're going to do basically what your visitors are going to do, if they get here, is because they already saw you, they already know who you are, they are interested in basically working with you. So they will be likely to schedule a call. There are many softwares that you can use to accomplish this, but in this case, the idea is that you have the software. I will be leaving like the software in the description if you want to start with it, you want to use it, the one that I recommend, right? So they will schedule a call. when you create your account in the software for like webinars for scheduled calls, you will place in there your time zone and the range of time that you're going to be working. So this can be all over the world. It will be allotted automatically depending on the zone of everyone. And for example, you say in there that you want to work from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. right? EST time. So the people, when the people gets to the website, they will know that it's an EST time, and they will basically make the calculations of the time based on their location. So, but at the end, you will receive the call in the time that you are working. So that is awesome. So, of course, if you get in a call, I'm sure that they're going to love it, and you're going to at the end make the sale, make the offer. Well, I mean, make the sale for your consulting business, right? So, what happens if maybe they get to this part, or maybe they get to the schedule page, and then first their internet goes off, and what happens in that case? They won't make the call. They won't buy from you. Maybe they will forget you by the next day, by the next hour. I don't know. Maybe they can get distracted. So that is why we ask them for an email first. Because if you have an email list, you can start sending emails to those people who are already interested in you, who already saw you, who already know you. And the formula that I suggest, or that I think is more, I mean, the best way to get sales, it takes a little bit more time, but at the end of the day, you want to get the best customers as possible, right? So when they get to this final sale, it's because they already know you, they know who you are, they're going to be committed to work with you, and that is what you want. So you're going to be sending like 3 emails. In these emails, you won't sell anything, right? You're going to be giving value, as much free value as possible to them, so that way you can create a connection and a bond with your audience, and they will trust more with you because they will be saying like, this guy is giving me everything for free, and I mean, what will happen if I buy from him, if I work directly with him? So they will be more likely to buy from you. So at the fourth email, you're going to offer them again your call, and the probability or the percentage is going to be higher of your conversions, because they, when they get to this point, they already trust you. So well, I think that is like a nice way to point it out, or to explain it. So if you have more questions, if you wanna know more about funnels, about traffic, about what an open page, all of that, you can go to miguelmerlo.com, create your account, and just enjoy the content.